Whenever anyone wants to book one of our Airbnb properties, they will get a message asking them to confirm that they've read and, most importantly, accept our house rules and our requirements. Some of the things that we ask for include IDs in certain buildings such as this one, because the reception area and security there needs a copy of the guest's ID in order to let them into the building. That's just for security purposes. Then some of the most important rules that they need to accept are things like quiet hours. Most of the buildings and properties that we have quiet hours between 10 p.m. and 8 a.m. during the week, and from midnight to 8 a.m. on the weekend. The thing that causes the most issues for us, or that we try to prevent, is both smoking and parties, right? So in this building, we've got strict no smoking rules, both inside the property, obviously, but also on the balcony, because in this building, there's a body corporate rule that states nobody is allowed to smoke on the balcony at all. The only place you are allowed to smoke at is the designated area on the rooftop. And you can see over here, we've got a big sign that says you will be fined X amount of money if you smoke in the property or on the balcony. And then a big thing for us is the fact that guests need to adhere to the rules of no parties or loud noise gatherings at all. It's against Airbnb's rules to have parties in most properties, and for us it disturbs our neighbors and so on. We don't want to hire out our properties to anybody who's coming specifically to have a party or to make a lot of noise that disturbs the neighborhood.